this dangerous or toxic? Yes. Hey guys, it's Brooke. Thanks for getting together for today's video. As you can see by the title down below, I will be going over cyanobacteria, also known as blue and green algae, and this word that I cannot pronounce.
What is cyanobacteria?
Cyanobacteria is microorganisms related to bacteria that are capable of photosynthesis.
What causes this? How does this even?
It's fertilization and animal manure that is somehow leaking into our fresh water and marine water. So it can be in lakes, it can be in canals, it can be in rivers, it can be in reservoirs. So basically anywhere with fresh and marine water. Just keep an extra eye out.
So how are we able to spot cyanobacteria, also known as blue and green algae?
Well, honestly, like the biggest way to tell and catch it is by looking at the fresh water. You'll see, I'll link a picture somewhere up here, but you'll see that it has a specific color to it. And I hope I'm saying this correctly, but if it's overly contaminated by the cyanobacteria, there will be a odor, and by no means there is a taste, but do not taste, please do not taste this, please, like, don't. But you'll either see it, you'll see it, or you'll smell it.
So how is this being exposed? How can this be transmitted?
So one of the main ways that this is transmitted is by drinking the water, and recreational activities. I guess like if you have your dog with you and you see that they make like this weird face after drinking a little bit of water, I would personally pull them out and probably give them something that's in their pet's first aid. So definitely stay tuned for that, because those are the two ways right now known for it to be transmitted or for you to be exposed to it.
Is this dangerous or toxic?
Yes. highly guys, highly. Is that better? I like a better pitch for it, because it's highly toxic and just dangerous to both humans and animals. Currently, there has been deaths reported by cyanobacteria in 50 countries. In the United States alone, there has been 35 states that have reported deaths by cyanobacteria, also known as blue and green algae.
What are the symptoms? Is there a treatment? Is there an antidote?
Some of these signs and symptoms here, short term, are headaches, upset stomach, mouth blistering, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, a dry cough, pneumonia. And the long-term symptoms of this are tumor development, liver failure, cancer, and in males. Is there treatment or an antidote? And the answer is there is no antidote to this, absolutely none. There are treatments. For humans, we get the better end of the longer end of the stick here. We get to rehydrate and just replenish our electrolytes. Now for animals, they definitely get the shorter end of the stick here, and they will require immediate veterinary care. From like the earliest signs that you see, take them to the vet, because what they're going to need is anti-seizure medication, and they will need to be put on oxygen. If you have made it to the end of this video, a big shout out and thank you to you. You're the real MVP. So again, thank you. And if you got any value in this or gained any new knowledge, leave a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family, especially the ones that have animals. Oh, I do want to mention that if you are living in Texas, that so far there have been reported cases At White Rock, there have been accumulating cases growing there, and at Arbor Hills, there have been a few reported cases there as well. So just keep an eye out if you're anywhere near these areas.